Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 5. This is your maths lecture. Page number 16 and exercise name is word problem. That is a part of unit number 1 and the topic is numbers and arithmetic operation. Today we will solve words problem and question number 1. Question number 1 is Jumbo Fancy Store wants to place an order for candles. If one box contains 144 candles, how many boxes must the shop order for the stock of 100,080 candles? Yes, student, Jumbo Fancy Store is a name of a store or a shop. Now, student, stock of candles. How many stock of candles? 100,080 candles. Okay, student, that you can show. You can see. First, you will write the short statement, that is stock of candles is equal 100,080 candles. Okay, student. Now, number of candles. Number of candle in each box. How many candle in a one box? There is 144. In second line you can see candle in a box. एक box में कितनी candles हैं? 144. Understand? Now we will find number of boxes. Candle in each boxes. How can we find? First we will divide. Yes, student. 144 100,080 candles. Yes, student. First we will check. Here we will solve rough work. 144 multiplied by 6 fours are 24 to carry. 6 fours are 24, 25, 26 to carry. 6 1 is 6, 7 and 8. Yes, student. 864. We will take carry from 1. 10, 10 minus 4 is equal 6. Here is 9. 9 minus 6 is equal 3. Here is also 9. 9 minus 8 is equal 1. The next digit is 8. Now, student, 144 multiplied by 9. 9 fours are 36. 3 carry. 9 fours are 36, 37, 38 and 39. 3 carry. 9 1 is 9, 10, 11 and 12. 1296. Now we will subtract. 8 minus 2 is equal. 8 minus 6 is equal 2. Take carry. Make 16. 16 minus 9. Yes, student. Very good. 7. Here is 2. 2 minus 2 is equal 0. The next digit is also 0. Now we will check. 144 multiplied by 5. 5 fours are 20. 2 carry. 5 fours are 20, 21, 22. 2 carry. 5 1 is 5, 6 and 7. Oh, full divide. And the remainder is 0. So the answer is number of boxes 695. That is answer. Hope you understand the student. Hope you understand this question. Now part B. The value of part B is the government want to build new homes for 382 homeless families. If each home cost rupees 400,960, how much will the project cost altogether? So student, very easy. Each student must read the statement at least 3 times for the better understanding. Okay, first we will write solution, then student must will write short statement. Okay, and the short statement, first we will again read the statement. The government wants to build new homes. गवर्नमेंट ने घर तमीर करना चाहती है 382 होमलेस फैमिलीज़, ऐसी होमलेस फैमिलीज़ के लिए जो कि 382 हैं. इफ़ ईच होम कॉस्ट, अगर एक घर पे जो कॉस्ट है उसकी कीमत है 400,960, हाउ मच विल द प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट ऑल टुगेदर. एक घर की उन्होंने प्राइस हमें बता दी है, तो हमने कितने घरों की फाइंड करनी है? 382. सो स्टूडेंट, होमलेस फैमिलीज इज इक्वल 382. ईच होम कॉस्ट कितनी है? 400,960. एंड नाउ वी विल फाइंड कॉस्ट ऑल टुगेदर. ओके, वेरी इजी. 400,960 multiplied by 382. 2 0 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 0 2 0 0, 2 4s are 8, 3 0 8 0 0, 8 4 8 6 are, yes student, 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 9s are 72 plus 4 76, 8 0 0, 8 3s are 8 4s are 32. Okay, in 100 place there is 3 3 0 0, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 9s are 27 28, 3 0 0, 3 4s are 12. Now we will add 0 2, 9 plus 8, yes student, very good, 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 10 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 and 1. Total cost, yes student, total, yes, total cost student, total cost, that is rupees 153,166,720. That is the answer of part B. Understand student? Now part C, and the value of part C is school children in Karachi raised rupees 40,575 through a sponsored marathon race. If the collection is shared between 15 needy families, how much does each family get and how much money will be left? Very interesting question student. स्कूल चिल्ड्रन इन कराची, कराची में स्कूल के बच्चों ने जमा किए टोटल ₹40,575 अगर ये कलेक्शन 15 नीडी ज़रूरतमंद फैमिलीज़ को दी जाए तो हर फैमिली को कितना मिलेगा और कितना बाकी रहेगा। ओके स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि फैमिलीज़ हैं 15 और रुपीज़ है हमारे पास 40,575। एज वी कैन सी 15 फैमिलीज़ में क्या होगा, डिवाइड। सो द क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट डिवीजन। फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट, you write the short statement, that is amount raised is equal rupees 40,575 and number of needy families is equal 15. Each family gets, हर फैमिली को कितना मिलेगा? I have already told you that is a question about division. So we will divide 15 40,575. 15 one is 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. That is greater value. So 15 twos are 30. Now we will subtract 1, 0. Next digit is 5. 15 sevens are 105. Yes, 15 sevens are 105. We can check by multiply. 7 fives are 35. 3 carry. 7 1 is 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is 105. Understand? The next digit is 7. Okay student, in one time we can write only one digit in division. So the next digit is 7, that is smaller than 15. So first we will put 0, then we will write the next digit. 15 1 is 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 fours are 45, 15 fives are 75. Understand student? So the answer is each family gets yes student, each family gets rupees 2,705 rupees. That is the answer. Understand student? Very interesting question. Now part 4, question number 4. Question number 4 is Super Pop Potato Chips Factory employs 267 people. If each worker receives rupees 2,384 as wages every month, what is the total wages bill for 1 month? Part 1 is for 1 month and part 2 is for the whole year. Very interesting. Yes student, in this question first we will solve wages for 1 month, then wages for the whole year. First student, you can tell me how many months in a year? Yes, how many months in a year? 12 months in a whole year. Okay, एक साल में 12 मंथ होते हैं. Okay, first we will write short statement, that is each worker wages rupees 2,384. Number of workers कितने हैं? 267. Very interesting question. 2,384 multiplied by 267. 7 fours are 28. 2 carry. 7 eights are 56, 57 and 58. 5 carry. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. 2 carry. 7 2s are 14, 15 and 16. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry. 6 4 8s are 48, 49, 50. 5 carry. 6 8s are 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 2 carry. 6 2s are 12, 13 and 14. The next 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry. 2 3s are 6, 7, 2 2s are 4. Now we will add 8, 12, 1 carry. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry. 16. Yes, student. For a month, wages is 636,528. Now, student, wages for whole year. That is rupees. Now we will multiply because 12 months in a whole year. 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry. 2 6 are 12, 13, 1 carry. 2 6 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 6 are 12. Understand? One 8 is 8. 1 2 2. 1 5 5. 1 6 6. 1 3 3. 1 6 6. Understand? 6. Now we will add 6. Yes, 8 plus 5, 13. 1 carry. 3, 8, 6 6 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 carry. 3 3 plus 3, 6, 7. So the answer is whole year. That is 7,638,336. That is the answer for a whole year, and total wages is rupees 636,528. Yes, student, I hope you understand the lecture. So student, if you have any problem in any question, you can ask me in question answer session. Student, note down your home task. Student, practice question number 1 to question number 4, page number 16, and exercises word problems. Understand? Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay safe.